back again. We always discuss about new things which may, be helpful for our daily routines, which can help you in your professional life. So we are always talk about the student's life as well at times. Today also because I discuss with you those things which I face in my daily routine, which I see my students asking us the questions, or which my team asks us that the student has this kind of queries in the society. So like always, today also I wanted to discuss about how will this coronavirus, this COVID-19 affect your studies plans for abroad. Because हर कोई शायद 2019 से पहले भी 2019 onwards 2020 में बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स के प्लान्स थे कि हमें बाहर जाना है, अब्रॉड जाना है. हमारे फ्रेंड्स जा चुके हैं. जिन स्टूडेंट्स ने लास्ट ईयर सीनियर सेकेंडरीज पास की हैं, वो दे वर एक्सपेक्टिंग टू ट्रांसफर देमसेल्व्स इन 2020. मे बी कुछ स्टूडेंट्स ने एडमिशन्स भी ली होंगी आप में से. और बिकॉज दिस कोविड वॉज सो अनफॉर्चुनेट and nobody invited it. Basically it has just occurred in our life. I don't know, nobody knows from where, but सब इसके लॉकडाउन से सफर हो रहे हैं, या सब everyone is facing the troubles in this lockdowns, in this curfews, in this COVID-19. So nobody knows actually कि ये जो pandemic situations हैं ये कब तक हैं हमारी लाइफ में, till how long it is going to stick with our daily routines lives. बट बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स ये जरूर क्वेश्चंस अपने माइंड में लेके घर पे बैठे हैं दैट हाउ वी गोइंग टू एंड अप विद फ्रॉम दिस पेंडेमिक सिचुएशन. हमारे बाहर जाने के, अब्रॉड जाने के जो ड्रीम्स थे वो कैसे कंप्लीट होंगे. विल वी बी एबल टू गो अब्रॉड और नॉट. सो आई थिंक सो as we keep talking to Australian Canadian bodies, and then they keep updating us क्या हो रहा है उनकी countries में, which is non-official, और at times हर government उसको announce नहीं करती है. So I just have some things in my mind to share with you. How is this 2020 going to be for the students who wants to be abroad, who wanted to study abroad, who wanted to apply for their applications abroad? It's an outbreak, COVID-19, but then there are a lot of discussions on this COVID-19 as well, that हमें इससे कैसे fight करके अपने dreams को on air रखना है. Definitely you need to postpone the studies, you need to postpone your plans till 2021. This is what the government and most of the government bodies abroad are informing us, that each student has to and should postpone their beginning plans of studies abroad till 2021. Because किसी को नहीं पता है this COVID-19 will be on peak at what stage, and when will it start decline. So I think it's for everyone's safety as well. They don't allow the flights even. India doesn't even have the flights access. But flights access को side पे रखकर अगर हम admission process की बात करें, most of the countries are in lockdown, most of the campuses are in lockdown. वो admissions नहीं process कर रहे हैं. कुछ online admissions को process किया जा रहा है, where the only motive is कि आपकी admissions को bulk में इकट्ठा किया जाए और to make you hold till 2021 maybe. But no intakes will be entertained in 2020. This is what we've been updated. Maybe there could be some changes because we don't know COVID decline कब होना शुरू होगा. So we need to postpone the plans for studying abroad till 2021. This is what the first major proposal you should have in your mind, कि हमें अपने plans को 21 तक postpone करके रखना है. This is the one idea, fight back with your dreams. Prepare your English. This is the good time when you should utilize your English classes. A lot of campuses are providing online English classes free of cost, or maybe they're charging you something, but you should utilize this time. The second thing is, which is again very important, study an online program. In this COVID-19, I think study an online program is going to be introduced in India on such a large scale that maximum of the universities and colleges across the world have started providing their international degrees in India now. वो क्या चाहते हैं आपसे कि आप अपने गैप्स को बढ़ने मत दीजिए, क्योंकि गैप इज वन ड्रॉबैक इन एवरीवन्स प्रोफाइल. सो दे वांट कि आप इस टाइम को, जिसने 2019 में अपना +2 कर लिया था या 2018 में अपना +2 कर लिया था, डू नॉट लेट योर गैप गेट इंक्रीज. आप अपना ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम हमारे साथ शुरू कर दीजिए. हर कॉलेज ये कह रहा है आप हमारे साथ अपना ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम शुरू कर दीजिए. मैक्सिमम ऑफ द यूनिवर्सिटीज एंड कैंपसेस, पब्लिक एज वेल एज द प्राइवेट कैंपसेस, हैज स्टार्टेड द ऑनलाइन सर्विंग द डिग्रीज इन इंडिया. सो मुझे लगता है हर स्टूडेंट को इस समय ऑनलाइन डिग्रीज की तरफ जाकर अपना एक साल, देयर आर मेनी बेनिफिट्स. यू नीड टू सेव योर 1 year. आपका ये कोविड-19 का 1 year सेव हो जाएगा. Second, you'll be connected with your studies internationally. Third, you're saving a lot of money with this program, because I think when they are outsourcing the degrees in India, it's cheaper. They are not even asking you to pay the same amounts. So, a lot of support is also being provided through webinars. The new trend is, as I always talk, my daughter is just 3.5. She started studying online through Zoom and other applications. So it is a trend now. We need to follow the trend. The new era is going to be the technology era. अगर हम ये सोच के बैठ रहे हैं कि हमें कोविड-19 चला जाएगा एंड द नॉर्मल लाइफ विल बी बैक ऑन द रूटीन, नो, इट्स नॉट गोना बी हैपनिंग. यू हैव टू बी हैबिचुअल ऑफ गेटिंग ऑनलाइन स्टडीज. यू हैव टू बी हैबिचुअल studying with the technologies now, because the next era is going to be the technology high era. So I think maximum and the top universities across the world, if you check online also, are providing online degrees in India. We also have a lot of campuses approaching us abroad, who wants to start their online programs in India. I think it's the safest way. You get closer your visas, you get secure your visas, definitely. It's one of the things. You'll save a lot of money of your parents. That's what I feel the best positive point about studying online. So keep learning. The third point, I thought we should be focused. We shouldn't postpone the plans of flying abroad till 21 for sure. We need to be connected with the online studies, because it is being serving in India also. Maximum of the Canada, Australia universities are serving it. There are many colleges who are offering, international colleges who are offering, who started offering the short courses in India. 6 months course, and then you take your pathway abroad. So I think these short courses are also very helpful for you. You will start your process here, your application will be done, your seat is secured with one university, Vancouver Community College. There are many colleges who are, Seattle University, there are many universities in Canada who started doing this programs online now. So just to save your time, just to save your money, I think start getting into short programs. Don't let your gap get increased, right? So crash courses will help you be skilled in your knowledge. The next era is going to be for the students who are skilled passed outs. So I think so. Learn a new language in your meantime. Stay online, connected with the online programs. Just don't stay free. Just don't feel the international dream has been shut down. अब हम शायद अपना dream पूरा नहीं कर पाएंगे. Nothing has gone wrong. Nothing has changed vastly. The only trend which has been changed is now starting the online programs. As I always talk, Government of India is also promoting the online degrees now. Maximum of the universities, Punjab universities, biggest university, University of Delhi, has started the online programs just to avoid the loss of the studies for the students. So I think everyone is trying and trending themselves in online. You need to save your time. 2020 is not the year to fly, definitely. I don't know who's your guidance, but you should speak to your parents. It's not safe. We need to look into our safety as well. As our Prime Minister says, if we have a life, we have the whole world to fight with, right? So, अगर हमारी जान है तो सब कुछ है हमारे पास. So first requirement is your safety, your personal safety. Then is your dreams, your opportunities. I think you can start your opportunities in India. Spend your first year of your online studies in India, and then take your opportunities further through pathways and fly abroad. In this meantime, keep doing your English courses. Don't just let your grammar wasted. जो आपने किया है, IELTS किया है, वो expired ना हो जाए, या आपकी English level 0 ना हो जाए घर पे बैठे बैठे. So don't lock down yourself. Whosoever wanted to study has no such barriers. वो अपनी study को किसी ना किसी sources के through करते हैं. हमारे पास बहुत सारे students हैं जो आज भी connected हैं through Zoom and other classrooms, go to webinar classrooms. So go and approach such college who's providing the online classes. Just don't wait for the some immigration people to come and knock your door and then they might will give you visas in your hands. Nothing's gonna happen like this, right? So stay connected. We will meet next time soon and we'll discuss about the new things. Keep writing your reviews if you want me to speak about something. In the meantime, take care. Bye.